As you all know, Deepseek has changed the AI world globally with its latest R1 model, which outperforms OpenAI's ChatGPT while using fewer hardware resources. Today, we will install Deepseek AI models on our desktop locally and try to run them. Hello and welcome to Installer Guru, where we make installation easy for you. There are several models available for you to check on GitHub. The Deepseek V3 models are amazing. You can check this graph. It comes with a mixture of experts, MOE, language model, featuring 671 billion total parameters, with 37 billion activated for each token. Today, we will install the Deepseek LLM models onto our local desktop, and for this, we will use lmstudio, which provides a ChatGPT-like feel and interface. This is a studio application, similar to Visual Studio, that you can connect to various LLM models locally. For today, we'll use this free tool exclusively for Deepseek. The download and installation process is very easy. First, you need to select the appropriate download package for your operating system. In this demo, I am using the Windows version. After downloading, simply click the Install button to begin. Once installed, run the application. On the first page, you will see an alert asking you to download the Deepseek R1 distilled model with 7 billion parameters. You can download it directly from here, but for now, we will skip this step. Now, you will see the lmstudio interface is ready, but without any LLM models. In the search window, you can find several models that are ready to download and use. From this list, we will select the Deepseek R1 7 billion parameter model, which requires 4.68 gigabytes of space. I believe this will run fine on my desktop, which has an Intel i5 processor, an AMD 560 GPU, and 24 gigabytes of RAM. Now, we will download the LLM model locally and load it. Finally, my local and personal AI chatbot is ready to answer my questions. I can interact with this model and get my answers. In this model, you can see the AI's thought process before it responds. You can also adjust the chat context length if you'd like the AI to remember your previous conversations. Additionally, you can control the CPU and GPU limits, especially if your system has a powerful configuration. You can explore other models from the model search window and use them based on your system's capabilities. That's all for now. Thanks for your time with us. If you found this video useful, please share it, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Installer Guru.